How to make a reservation on OpenTable. If you want to make a reservation on OpenTable, all you have to do is first launch the OpenTable app and then make sure to register and log in to an OpenTable account. And once you've done that, what you have to do is you can simply use the search bar to find your restaurant of your choice, or you can go to this reservations options and I will show you a list of restaurants available for reservations. Simply select a certain restaurant and whatever else it is that you like, right? So I'll just go ahead and select a certain one. Now here we can simply select view full availability option, and let's say for today I want to do it, and for the next day I can choose the time frame as well. I can choose my seating option. Then once I've selected all my details and any special request, I can tap the reserve button to make a reservation on OpenTable. This way you can make a reservation on OpenTable. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.